Hi guys, this is Sadik from .com. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Google's camera widget on any Android phone. This only comes pre-built in the Pixel 8a and the 9a. That's it. I don't know why Google has done this, but you will only get this in the Pixel 8a and 9a. On all the other phones, you will have to manually install it by finding an APK file, and I've just found the APK file for you all. So let's get started. First, I'm showing on a Pixel phone. It's a Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's not there in this phone by default. So for all the other phone apart from the Pixel 8a and 9a, you will have to get the APK file. And in fact, we have extract the APK file from the Pixel 8 and 9a's app. From that, we extracted the APK file and we have got this. So scroll down to my article. This is for the 8 and 9a only. On all these both of these phones, they come pre-installed. For all the other phones, even the non-Pixels, it will run across the OnePlus, the Nothings, the Samsung, Xiaomi, Poco, all the phones. For my video, I'll show you first of on a Pixel 9 Pro XL, a Nothing phone, and let's say a OnePlus phone. So with that in mind, first off, get the APK file from here. All thanks to the Android Authority. Once you've got the APK file, let's install it. Just give me a second. This should be here. This is our widget. It's now installed. Tap on done. Now long press on empty region. Select widgets, browse, and it should either be named as family space or snapshot. Just give me a second. Either the family space or the snapshot, either of the two names will be there. So let's see what is the case in the Pixel series, the 9 Pro XL, which is not supported. Once installed, go to widgets, browse, and it is there by the name of snapshot in the Pixel series, which is not supported. So tap on this, add. It's added. You may place it anywhere you want. And apart from that, you may also increase the size. But first off, once you've added this, tap on this once and you may not take a photo. So let's take a photo of my Mac. Just give me a second. Once you've taken any photo, hit the check mark. It's now added and you will now get this as an album on your home screen. You may increase the size as you could see over here via this, and the entire photo will be taken over here. Likewise, you may also tap on this photo and make some changes, enhance it, dynamic, use the AI enhance tool. This will take around 10 to 15 seconds, so somewhat longer. Then apart from that, you may also use the actions from here, the crop, magic eraser, unblur, move, and all of these tweaks will be shown in the snapshot as well in the home screen. This is the audio, this is the AI enhance markup. For example, if you write a text, let's say, I don't know, okay, this is, let's say, write when, write a text, hit tap on done, and this will in fact all the changes which you are doing will be shown there. Then tap on check mark. You have the filters as well, numerous filters, not required for now, lighting, colors, all the tweaks are there. Once you're done with the changes, tap on the save button and you can now see that is will be shown over here as well. In our photo, you may further increase the size, long press on it, increase the size or make it smaller, and now you could see the driving text is shown here. Likewise, let me now show you how to install it on any other phone. The steps are the same as before. So now we are using a OnePlus 11 also. In this phone also is not supported officially. So simply go to the widgets. Once you have installed the APK file, go to widgets and family space. The naming is family space over here. Place it anywhere on the screen. Let's place it on a new screen. Long press on it, place it here and see the same icon. Again, tap on this and let's take a photo. Just give me a second. We have just taken a photo, check mark it to save it, and the same steps as before. Long press on it to drag it to resize the widget over here. As you could see, make it more longer, increase its height or width. Once you're done, you may again tap on this to make the changes. Crop it from here, select to edit, circle to brush, and all the same tweaks, action, magic eraser. You may carry out now all the tweaks from this page, and once that is done, hit the save button. It will be saved. So let's say we want to remove the phone. I have found the Samsung's much better magic eraser as compared to the Pixels. Even though I guess Pixel was the first to bring this feature, but the Samsung's works much better. Okay, it's great as well. Let's save it. Once that is done, you may also carry out more tweaks from here. Unblock, portrait blur, sharpen, noise, markup, pen, highlight, text, filter. One done, save as copy. And you could now see the changes have been saved. So you may place it anywhere you want, increase the size from here. If required, make it smaller. And the same as the case for the nothing phones as well. Let me show you that as well. So install the APK. Once done, long press on it, widgets, scroll here. Then let's see the naming, family space, choose it, add widget, tap on it, take a photo, and that's just it. You may then make the changes if required accordingly. So guys, that's all from this video. Okay, one more thing you might ask, how to uninstall the app? Well, the steps are once again same as before for all the phones. You have to first remove the widget from here, just do a remove. Once that is done, go to settings. Then from there, go to apps, show all apps, and scroll to family space, which is here. Then tap on uninstall, uninstall OK, and it's now gone. To verify it once, widgets, and you could see the family space is no longer there, so it's removed from here. Likewise, the same for our phone. Let's remove this and long press on it here. Widgets on the Pixel phone, it was named as let me just verify for the Pixel, just a snapshot. So on your Pixel phone, go to the settings menu, then from there go to apps, see all apps, scroll down to snapshot, which should be here only, snapshot. Well, where it's gone? If snapshot is not shown here, let me just verify it once. Okay, it's not there, so search for the family space. Okay, even though it's named as snapshot on the Pixel phone, but in the app info family space, uninstall it, and it's now gone. Let's just verify it once. Widgets, browse, and the family space or the snapshot are nowhere to be found. So guys, that's it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching the video.